I love money, so I'm going to tell you guys how to make money on YouTube during quarantine. If you want to go from this to this to this, then watch these 3 simple tricks on how I made money through YouTube during quarantine. The last trick made me over $1,000 on YouTube while only having 20 subscribers. The first trick is to get YouTube Adsense. YouTube Adsense puts ads on your videos, and if people click on them, then you will make a small percentage of money. You need to be in good standing with YouTube, have over 4,000 watch hours, and 1,000 subscribers. The second one is becoming an advertiser. All you have to do is pay someone money to put your ad on their page. When other people are watching the video, they can click on your ad, and if they do, you will receive a free pot of gold. The third step is the most important step, which is to save your money for YouTube. What you have to do is save your money so you can upgrade your setup for YouTube. What you shouldn't do is spend your money and waste your money on things like candy and snacks, because it will do nothing for you in the long run, except for make you fat. What you need to do is reinvest your money and save every penny you have for the future so you can make more money. For example, do not give the angry lady at the store working at the cash register who's tapping her tip jar any money, and literally just run out the door. If you made it to the end of the video, you are awesome. It took me 6 hours to create this YouTube video, so I would appreciate a subscribe, and if you do, you are awesome. See you guys later. It is Dr. Awesome. Peace.